Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting in store for you, a step-by-step guide on achieving stunning wall texture paint that will transform your space into a work of art. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner artist and give your walls a fresh, unique look, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative DIY projects. Let's dive right in. Wall texture paint is a versatile and essential element in interior design and decoration for several reasons. Firstly, it adds depth and character to a room, transforming otherwise bland and flat surfaces into visually appealing ones. Texture paint can conceal imperfections on walls, such as cracks or uneven surfaces, providing a cost-effective solution for renovation projects. Additionally, it can enhance the acoustics of a space, dampening sound and creating a more comfortable environment. Texture paint also allows for creativity and personalization, enabling homeowners to choose from various textures and colors to suit their preferences and interior design themes. Moreover, it can play a vital role in defining spaces within an open floor plan, adding distinction to various areas. In summary, wall texture paint serves both functional and aesthetic purposes, making it a valuable asset in the world of interior design and home improvement. There are numerous creative wall texture paint ideas to choose from, depending on your style and the ambience you want to create in your space. Here are some popular wall texture paint ideas. Smooth finish. If you prefer a subtle and contemporary look, a smooth finish with a light texture can provide a sleek, modern appearance to your walls. Knockdown texture. This texture involves spraying on a mixture and then knocking down the high points to create a mottled, slightly raised surface. It adds depth and interest to your walls without being too pronounced. Skip trowel texture. This texture creates a more rustic or old-world look. It involves applying a thick layer of texture compound and then using a trowel to create a skip trowel effect, which can resemble the texture of stucco or plaster. Venetian plaster. Venetian plaster is a luxurious choice, creating a polished, marble-like finish. It involves layering multiple thin coats of plaster, followed by burnishing to create a smooth, high-gloss surface. Brick or stone texture. If you want to give your walls an industrial or rustic appearance, you can opt for a texture that mimics bricks or stones. This can be achieved through specialized paints or faux finish techniques. Sponge painting. Using a sponge to apply paint can create a soft, textured look with a slightly mottled appearance. This technique allows for creativity with color combinations. Metallic textures. Metallic texture paints can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to your walls. They create a shimmering, reflective surface that's particularly effective in spaces with ample natural light. Stry texture. This technique involves dragging a brush or comb through wet paint to create subtle, vertical stripes. It's a great choice for adding a sense of height to a room. Texture with stencils. You can combine texture paint with stencils to create intricate patterns or designs on your walls. This adds a unique and artistic touch to your space. Ombre or gradient. Gradually blending different shades of the same color or complementary colors can create a stunning ombre or gradient effect that adds visual interest and depth to your walls. Remember to consider the overall style and theme of your space when selecting a wall texture paint idea. Sample different textures and colors on a small section of your wall to ensure you achieve the desired look before committing to the entire room. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.